Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. This is a short video answering some questions that we had in the comments about what fittings are needed to connect the downspout so it can run through your channel drain. And it's a very short video, and I know it will help you out.
So a few fittings that have to go on here. This is just a coupling, 4-inch coupling that slides onto the channel drain. Next, we're using an adapter that goes from corrugated to PVC. That slides inside. Then we put our corrugated into the adapter and it snaps in place. So you can see our 4 inches underneath the concrete there a little bit, which is fine. And then we'll go ahead and set the channel drain, continue it on down.
So if you need more help, try our live help. Sign up online. The cost is $80 per session, and I promise you that I can answer any question that you have. Probably the most commented question is, how deep do you dig? And that's something that is different on every job. So if you show me your problem, show me your trench or where you plan to dig, I can definitely help you answer that question.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.